By now you've seen videos of the Accucraft 13-ton Shay on the internet, or you've been to a steam up and seen one run. They're fantastic little engines. This is my engine running at various events in the last few months. In fact, we've even had the chance to run double-headed a few times.
It's just good enough. Yeah, the kit, it was a little tricky.
And we run triple-headed. In fact, we even made a video harassing our friend Terry up in Canada. But at the Garden Railway Convention last year, well, there's something different going on. This is the prototype of the Accucraft 13-ton Shay running for the first time.
I see the trucks. Yeah, it's not going anywhere until it gets rid of the water.
There actually weren't that many people at the event at this point to actually see this, so there's only 8 or 9 people. So these videos really haven't hit the internet at all.
Is the lever for the reverse easy to operate, or is it?
Yes, it's just center neutral.
After making a few laps on its own, there happened to be 3 or 4 cars on the siding, so the engineer, Bob, backed the engine down to pick up 3 Accucraft cars that happened to be on the siding. This is the first train that was pulled by this locomotive. It was a lot of fun.
I'll get the switch, Bob.
That's what, full open now?
Well, it's hitting hot water coming out.
And off it goes, onto the main line. This happens to be the baggers track that we set up during the convention for 3 or 4 days. This showcased live steam to the general Garden Railway public. It was a lot of fun.
Put your hand over it for a couple minutes.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.